Listen to me, because we need to have a serious, heart-to-heart talk about your money, your security, and how you spend online. If you are retired or getting ready to step into retirement, every single dollar in your bank account represents decades of your hard work, your sacrifices, and your peace of mind. So when you ask me a question like, can I link my bank account to my PaysafeCard? I am so glad you asked, because I want you to understand exactly how this works before you move a single dime. The short answer is no, you cannot directly link your traditional checking or savings bank account to a standard PaysafeCard in the way you might link a bank account to PayPal or your electric bill. But before you get disappointed, I want you to hear me loud and clear. That is actually a good thing for you. Let's talk about what a PaysafeCard actually is and why you were probably interested in it in the first place. A standard PaysafeCard is a prepaid voucher. You go into a store or online, you pay for a specific amount, say $50 or $100, and you get a 16-digit PIN code. You use that code to buy things online. That is it. It is not a credit card. It is not a bank account. It is essentially digital cash. Now, why do so many people in retirement want to use something like this? It comes down to fear, and it is a very healthy fear. You are worried about online fraud. You are worried about putting your primary bank account number or your main credit card onto some website you have never used before, only to have a hacker steal your identity or drain your life savings. And let me tell you, that fear is real. Scammers love targeting retirees because they know you have built up a nest egg. They know you have money in the bank. So you look for a layer of protection, and you think, if I can link my bank account to a prepaid card like PaysafeCard, I can protect myself. But here is where people make a mistake. If you could link your actual bank account directly to a voucher system, you would be opening a bridge right back to the very money you are trying to shield. Now, I know some of you are thinking, Susie, what about the online My PaysafeCard account or their prepaid MasterCard? Yes, Paysafe offers an online account where you can deposit money using a bank transfer or a debit card. But listen to me very carefully. Just because you can transfer money from your bank to an online account does not mean you should make it a habit, and it certainly does not mean it acts as a linked bank account. If you are using a bank transfer to load an online prepaid account, it can take days for that money to clear. Worse, prepaid accounts often come with fine print, inactivity fees, load fees, or withdrawal limits. When you are on a fixed income in retirement, you do not pay fees for the privilege of spending your own money. Absolutely not. Denied. So what is the actionable takeaway here? How do you shop online safely without risking your retirement savings? First, if you want to use a PaysafeCard for total privacy on small online purchases, buy it with cash or a debit card at a local retail store, or purchase the voucher directly. Use the 16-digit PIN to make your purchase. Once that money is spent, the card is empty. There is zero connection to your bank account, zero connection to your social security number, and zero risk to your checking account. That is how you use a prepaid system correctly as a safety shield. Second, if you want a safer way to shop online straight from your existing bank, do not look for complicated prepaid vouchers. Call your bank or log into your online banking portal and ask if they offer a virtual card number. Many major banks now allow you to generate a temporary card number linked to your existing account. You can set a limit on it, say $50, and use it once. If a hacker gets that number, it does not matter, because the number expires or has no money left on it. It costs you nothing, requires no extra accounts, and keeps your real bank details completely hidden. Third, never, ever use your primary checking account's debit card for random online shopping. Your debit card is a direct pipeline into your main financial pool. If a scammer gets your debit card number, the money is gone instantly from your account while the bank investigates. Instead, use a standard credit card with strong fraud protection for your regular online purchases, and pay the balance off in full every single month so you never pay a dime in interest. My friend, staying safe in retirement isn't about finding complicated financial workarounds. It is about keeping things simple, keeping your main accounts secure, and understanding every tool you use. You worked far too hard for your freedom to let confusion put your nest egg at risk. Use prepaid vouchers for what they are: simple, standalone digital cash. Keep your bank account completely separate and protect every single dollar you have earned.